Welcome. So this time we had seen increasing number of questions from Indian cinema. So we'll be covering a few very important topics for it. The complete lecture along with the handouts would be available on Doorstep Tutor. So for more information you can refer there. So to begin with, in India, the film industry started with the very first movie, which was Raja Harish Chandra, and this was in 1913, and this was the first full-length feature movie by Dada Sahab Phalke, a silent film which was one of the very important revolutions in Indian history in film industry. Now, some of the major developments started with the first talkie revolution, which was in 1931 with Alma Ara. Now, this was the first Indian talkie film which was released. Later on, from 1950s to 60s, was considered as a period of major films by Satyajit Ray, Pather Panchali, and Mother India were some of those. From 70s to 80s was the film which saw action content, and Sholay was one of those. Then 90s to 2000 was a period of liberalization, and movies like Lagan came into existence, and then on there were diverse aspects through which the movies came in. Bahubali, Dangal were some of those. Now if we look onto the revenue through which the major movies came into existence, the highest was seen with Dangal, which was a worldwide revenue of around 2000 crores, followed by Bahubali. Then is KGF, RRR, and so on. So we have the complete list which is available in the handouts. You can refer that. Now again, some of the major films and major national and international awards that they have won, along with the Filmfare Awards. Now these awards, their details and categorization we have covered in the comprehensive video in a separate section, so refer that. Now Filmfare Awards, the major list, the national awards, the major list has been given, and under international awards, under the Cannes Film Festival or the Academy Awards, which film has been nominated under which category, and which awards they have won. So Slumdog Millionaire, Lagan, Salam Bombay, Mother India, Pather Panchali, and RRR are some of the best movies that have won international accreditations, either under Cannes Film Festival, Academy Awards, or Golden Globe. So those are some of the important things that we have discussed in this. Of course, we will be covering the comprehensive content on films and media. Very important focus in UGC Net. Recently we have found this. So check out our updated content on Doorstep Tutor. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.